Hey everybody, today we're in a Land Rover Discovery. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855959. Before we get started, we just want to mention that you always want to make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. And with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two places over the vent here. So the first is for the lower lip, and that's right here, basically right behind where the screen meets the vent, right here. The second is just going to be right in the top side of the vent here, and that's going to be where this big upper lip goes. So first, we're going to take our lower lip, we're going to insert it just right in there, super easy. The next step, you're going to want to use your fingers to flex the top lip downwards so we can push it into the vent. Once you get it in, you might just need to press down and work it in a couple millimeters at a time. There we go. Once it's fully seated, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.